Welcome back to Business Mathematics 1. I'm Eric from Mathematics Study Program, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, ITB. So for today, we are going to talk about the exponent and logarithm function, exponential and logarithm function, with the special focus on the derivative of exponential function and logarithm. Let's start. Okay, yeah. So we have seen previously that the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. This is the only function that derivative is the function itself. What about the derivative of a natural logarithm with natural logarithm of x? This is just 1 over x. Okay, good. Now, what about the derivative of composition of function? Yeah, e to the x squared plus 1, you can use chain rule. Okay, yeah, and you can use chain rule and other. Okay, so this is the derivative of other exponential function. This is the derivative of exponential function. Previously, we have x equals e to the ln x. Why? Because this is the property of inverse function. Inverse function, yeah. So x is e to the ln x, and ln of e to the x is x. You have already know, yeah. So if I have a is greater than 0, a sorry, a to the x, it should be e to the ln of a to the x. Okay, yeah. So if I x, this is x, so a to the x, it should be a to the x. But logarithm of a to the x will give you a multiplication. So if you have this, don't forget this is just a constant, e to the 5x. You can imagine e to the 5x. So what is the derivative of e to the 5x? Is e to the 5x times 5. So I have this. Don't forget, what is this? This is just a to the x. So in general, the derivative of a to the x is a to the x times ln a. Don't forget, a is just a number. So this is your conclusion. What about this? How do I find the derivative of this? So 3 to the power of 5x squared plus 1, okay, times the derivative of this is, so 3 to the power of this times ln 3, logarithm natural of 3 times, times the derivative of this, that is 10x. Oh, this is wrong, yeah. You should multiply with ln logarithm log 3 also, log 3. Natural logarithm of 3, yeah. This is wrong, yeah. You should have multiplication with log 3, natural logarithm of. The same this, yeah. The same this, you lack log 2 here, natural logarithm of 2. Okay, yeah. So this is not correct. This is not correct. You can do this by your own. Okay. So what about other logarithm function? I have this is from base a when a is positive and a is not 0. What about the logarithm with base a? I have this one. So the derivative of ln x is natural logarithm of x is 1 over x. So I have, this is just this, and ln a is just a constant, logarithm, natural logarithm of a is just constant, so you can get out. So I have this. What is the derivative of this? Is 1 over x. So I have this. So in conclusion, I can conclude that this. If logarithm x with base a is positive and a is not 1, so I have this. Okay, yeah. Try to do this on your own. Okay, yeah. This is true. This is true. Okay, yeah. But previously this is wrong. You can look at this. Try to do this on your own. And the last part of the differentiation of exponential and logarithm is the logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation. We will try a different approach to find the derivative of this. To find the derivative of this. How do I do this? I write this as the power of this, the power of something, the power of something. And I can use ln of this, natural logarithm of y is the natural logarithm of this. But this is the division. I can, don't forget, the logarithm simplify things. So the division become the subtraction of, okay, yeah. And what about this? This is an exponentiation. It will become the multiplication. This, Okay, so I have this ln y is 1/3 ln x plus 1 minus 4 times ln 1 minus 3x. So I want to find the derivative of this. Ln y is 1 over y dy dx. And what about the derivative of this? 1 over x plus 1 times 1, the derivative of x plus 1 with respect to x. What about this one? Minus 4 times the derivative of this. That is 1 over 1 minus 3x times the derivative of this, minus 3, by using the chain rule. So I have this one. Okay, yeah? What about dy dx? I can multiply this upward. So I have this. And what is y? Y is this. So I can get the derivative by using what we usually call the logarithmic differentiation. The logarithmic differentiation. Ah, sir, I have know all about this. What about this one? X to the x, x to the x. How do you find the derivative of this? This is not x times x to the derivative to the power of x minus 1. No, no. Both of this is a function, x to the power of x. So you just left with the logarithmic differentiation. So let y equal x to the x. So ln y is ln x to the x. And if this is exponentiation, it will become a multiplication. And what is the derivative of this? Don't forget this is u times v. U times v. So the derivative is given by u times v plus u v prime. Okay, yeah? So the derivative of this ln y is 1 over y times dy dx. What is the derivative of this? U prime v plus u v prime. So this is just this. So what is dy dx? This times y. Okay, yeah, and y is x to the x. So the derivative is given by this. Okay, so we have talked about the logarithm, derivative of logarithm function, the derivative of exponent function, whether it is using the base e or other bases. We have already talked about it, and we have talked about also the logarithmic differentiation. Later we will talk about the application of the exponential function and logarithm function. Thank you.